everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Anand Patil. I am from Divine Mercy PU College. My father name is Anand Patil. He works in AKP Foundry, Udyambag. He is a labor. And my mother Aarti Patil is a homemaker. And my brother Anurag Patil, he works in a Bangalore. I have completed my second PUC examination. I scored 81% and my parents are very proud of my marks. And my lecturers also, they are very proud of my marks. I want to do BBA and further I want to become bank manager. My college life started with freshers party, ends with farewell party. I enjoyed my college life with my friends and my lecturers, and they also supported me as guided me in my difficulties and clearing the doubts. I love my lecturers and my friends very much. They missed me, I too have missed them. My favorite subject is economics and accounts. We celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Dasara, and we made sweets, laddus, etc. I am very thankful to you to have you in my life, and my parents also are thankful to you that you have supported me in my difficulties. In the future, I will also help others.
शाळेमध्ये 81 आमची मुलगी मार्क घेतलेली आहे आणि शाळेचं भविष्यामध्ये चांगलं होत आहे आमच्या मुलीचं आणि याच्या पुढे असं चालावं. तुमच्या सहकार्यामध्ये आमचं सहभागी आहे आणि हे तुमच्यामुळं आमचं हे प्रगती होत चाललेली आहे.
डिवाइन मर्सी फार चांगली शाळा आहे आणि आम्ही शाळेचं फार त्या कौतुक करतो. लहानपणापासून माझी मुलगी तिथंच जाते आणि माझ्या मुलगीबरोबर 81 आता सेकंड इयरला मार्क पडल्याबद्दल मी फार आनंदी आहे आणि शाळेबद्दल फार मला आदर आहे. थँक्यू सर.